Hello everyone. I just wanted to do a quick little intro video to Module 9 so you know what's happening. Just gentle, friendly reminder to make sure you watch this whole entire video so you know what's happening, and just reminder that you are responsible to know what I'm introducing in this video. So Module 9 info video, I'm making that right now. So here is your lecture video. You click on here. It'll take you straight to the lecture video. Just know that towards the end, if there's any information about Zoom office hours, you can ignore that. Just go by what our syllabus says. I'll be having a Zoom office hour from 7 to 8 on Wednesday, and then in-person office hour from 6 to 7 on Thursday. And then if you click here, the slides will be here. I just wanted to draw your attention to something. So I actually put in here, there's a lot of slides this week. It's a lot of different stuff, but just know that when you go to here, the Incidental Medical Services Plan, you can click on this and it will take you to the information about the Incidental Medical Services Plan and kind of what you need to do if you have a child with special needs. And then also if you click on here, oopsies, it just has a lot of really great information. Um, yeah, so make sure you take a look at that. And in the same way, I think I have some over here. If you click on it, these are live links too. So if you need food assistance, that's a really great resource for you. Our own IVC, we also have a food resource center too. So if you click on that, that'll give you information as well. So just make sure you click on the links in the slide so you can explore them also. And then this is the CACFP design menu. It'll tell you how to make your menu. And I really want to stress something super important. I know people get really upset at me, but this is so important. Make sure you write down the group number, your name, the name of the person making the video. You really need to talk about what age group is this for? Infant, toddler, preschool, school age. Make sure you write down how old the children are, because how old the children are will determine how much food you have to give them, right? What kind of food. Make sure for milk you put 1% unflavored. And then if you have a child that does have a dairy allergy, then you would put unflavored calcium fortified soy milk. And this is super duper important for medical statements. You need to say either NA if there's no food sensitivities or food allergies. And if there are, then you need to make sure you write that down. And you also have to put the date of the menu. Make sure you look at the resources so you know how much to give the students. And this is, oops, sorry, this is really, really important. People get so mad at me, but if you don't have this information and you give me a beautiful menu, I will still give you a 0, because if I don't know how old the child is, if I don't know if there are any food allergies, then I can't decide whether or not your menu is safe or not. So that's really, really important. The other thing is if you have children with peanut allergies, you cannot serve it, right? Or you have to say, for children with peanut allergies, substituting whatever instead, right? And it has to be like, you can't just give them sunflower butter because that doesn't meet the nutritional requirement. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I am asking for a lot of detail because this is what the Federal Food Program wants. So I'm just holding you to that same standard, right? Then if you click on here, it'll have your textbook link. And these are all information about good nutrition. So if you don't know what to make, what food to put in, look at My Plate and then go to My Plate Kitchen and click on recipes, and there's a lot of great ideas right here, right? And a lot of wonderful ideas here. here is sample meals. Now you can't just copy it. I want you to really think about your students. Make sure that your menu is reflects the beautiful cultures in your class family. Here is a template that you can use. And remember, you got to fill out all that information, right? And then this will tell you how much of the food you need to serve according to age. And then also, these are design examples. So, here's just an idea of what to look for, of what to do, I mean. And then grain info sheet, right? A lot of people have crackers. If it's cracker, how much do you serve? If it's piece of bread, how much do you serve? It's all here. And then you have the regular wellness logs, wellness sample. Please remember to follow this, do what this is asking you to do. You've got your wellness discussion here. Remember to post by Wednesday and follow up with another students by Friday. And then you have the 5 wellness logs here. That's due on Friday. You click on here, and then right here you can go to the discussion board. So make your first post about wellness on Wednesday, turn in your logs by Friday, and then if you click here, you can follow up to another peer over there. Your little quiz for this week is here if you click on here. Information about the assignment. And just remember, by Wednesday, you need to make sure that hopefully you've already done this already did this last week, but make sure by this week, post your first draft of the menus. And then whoever's the proofreader will submit an initial draft of an infant menu. Unless you have 5 people in your group, then the proofreader will just proofread. And then again, make sure you post your first drafts. And then also, you've got your optional parking lot discussion. If you have any questions, you can help each other out. I actually don't look at this, but this is for you guys to help each other with. And again, if you have any questions, make sure you message me in Canvas and I'll get back to you within 2 business days. And then beginning on October 20th, you'll have Module 10 and you'll be looking at Chapter 15, Menu Planning and Food Safety. Just the regular wellness logs, our chapter, our content, our quiz, and then you'll keep working on your nutrition. So if you have any questions, please message me in Canvas, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. All right, take care, guys. Bye.